welcome to a TD Sheridan Lab unboxing video. Today I took a stroll down to Micro Center to pick up this guy. This is an 8-port PoE switch from Unifi, and this arguably impulse purchase, not really, is kind of a culmination of a few things. One, I have Unifi access points throughout my house, but that's the only Unifi product I have. So I was curious on how much data I could see in there and if Unifi has actually kind of stepped into that true small business product range or not. Secondly, I'm going to be creating a series of videos focused around Microsoft Teams and possibly using that as a phone service replacement for the small to medium size business range. So for that I need a PoE switch to power a PoE phone. So in this video we will crack this guy open, see what we find in here, and then in the following video I will configure it. Stay tuned. Alrighty, let's crack this bad boy open. As you can see, brand new in the box. Price tag from Micro Center and sales associate little scanner, so they get credit for it. The first thing that I did notice is that all the models on the shelf had tape on it. Looks like Unifi does not put any seals on their boxes, so I'm going to assume that this is Micro Center just securing with their product until it's sold. So let's go and open this up and see what we got. Alrighty, so slide it out, and another branded box. To avoid this whole tape situation, they could just put their sticker on here and seal this box, but either way. So inside we got a rack kit, which might come in handy if I decide to rack this later on. Right now it's just going to be used as a desk switch, so I won't need that. We got a power cord here with a little protective thing that can go in the garbage right away. Quick start guide, which appears to be the same thing that's available on their website, just in smaller form. Screw kit if I'm going to mount this to a wall, which I'm not. The kit for the rack mount. And now the most important piece of the whole thing. Protected by some sturdy foam. I don't see any damage, but sturdy foam is always good, considering if you order it from Amazon or whatnot, they get bounced around a lot. So, this is the Unifi Switch 8. We got 8 PoE ports, being able to generate 150 watts of PoE power, or basically, with the exception of the high-end PoE devices that can suck up 60 watts each, you could plug 8 access points, 8 phones, a wide assortment of PoE devices into this device. Go on the back, we got some ventilation holes on 3 out of the 4 sides, and that's about it. The SFP ports on here are only 1 gig. There is the option on the 24 and the 48 port to get these with 10 gig, but makes sense that they're not on the 8-port switch here, considering if you combined all 8 ports there, you still would not max out a 10 gig connection. So realistically, this is just going to be a small desktop switch, so the 10 gig would just be bragging rights. So that's it in a nutshell here. Next video coming up, I will be configuring this bad boy, see what we get out of the Unifi controller. Thank you for watching the first unboxing video of TD Sheridan Lab. Coming up, there will be a video on how to configure this, and then this will be the beginning of a voice over IP series of videos I'll be creating centered around Microsoft Teams. So along with that, if you like what you see, click the notification bell and subscribe so you get notified when we release new videos. Otherwise, follow us on Facebook and Twitter at tdsheridanlab.com. Until next time.